morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We're back. It's Tuesday morning, November 1st, new month. Feels like a new week. But we're ready to go. Hopefully, a great month ahead of us. Hopefully, we all can bank all month long. I hope you guys enjoyed Halloween last night. If you have kids or if you went out with whatever, cousins or nephews, nieces, whatever. Hope that was fun. But we're back. Hopefully a great day. What's up, Discipline? What's up, Scott B? Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Looks like the gainer list isn't fantastic yet. A little bit of 8:30 news, but nothing crazy. Or 8 o'clock news, not 8:30. Did something happen with China overnight? Or overnight for us, but intraday for them? Because China's up. Like everything China is up right now. Big. Big, big. China Bull. Baba. I don't see anything specifically. I'm sure Broda can pop in and tell me that XYZ happened in China. That's the good thing about being in Europe is like you've been awake already for hours and hours and hours and hours, so you know what's going on for the day. Did they have good numbers? I mean, that may be like a cherry on top for NIO that China's up, but that's probably not what made China go up in general. Like Baba's gapped up 6%. Given they were really, really sold off after, I don't know how you pronounce his name, XIZC, I don't know. SWN. But after he got reelected.
TC. PRCH.
Go ahead and flip over. But yeah, NIO did have 174.3% year-over-year increase on deliveries. Hey, bro, what's up? Good morning.
BNET.
So, yeah, we don't really have a runner yet at all. ENSC yesterday had their news at 8:07. Yep. It was trying. I had a nice steep trend here, it looks like. Got a little smackaroo candle. Be right back.
SHPH. CPG. UBX. XPEV. Pro.
Yeah, I'm not seeing much. Market's gapped up near 390. IWM's up. Oil's up. Bitcoin's up a little bit.
SNDL.
SNDL, I thought I had news. I've been down here for a few minutes. I had news before 8 today. They acquired something. Zenibus Business. Came out at 750. Hey, what's up, Snacks? You overnight at GameStop again? Did you reposition? It's looking okay. I tried it through here. It was just being terrible.
LAZR, BGXX.
Oh, okay. I gotcha. Oh, well. I mean, having 28 is a good position, so you're good.
UBX.
What are we going to get this morning? Yesterday, I was already in a trade by now. Oh, that's good. They need to do something else. I saw a video or a TikTok of a guy that worked at GameStop, and he was showing for the Modern Warfare 2 midnight release or whatever. So they still do that apparently at GameStop, and not a soul was there because I mean it's becoming like Blockbuster. They're gonna have to change their scheme if they're gonna stay relevant because everybody's buying digital now. I know, yeah, everybody downloads. I don't remember the last time I bought a physical disc. Since I've had my computer, I mean, my computer doesn't even have a disk drive.
CELU.
Maybe the last disc I bought was like
AAU.
the COD World War II game, like years ago now. That was like four or five games ago. Yeah, they need to focus on the retro stuff because that's still all disc. I mean, they do sell some of that. Focus on that. Make it really cool.
GLRY.
Because if they're just focusing on selling today's games physically still as like their lead thing, I don't think they can do it. Yeah, Valve should go public for sure off Steam.
SHPH.
I'm glad that you can buy the new Call of Duties on there now. I've never really been a huge fan of the Blizzard launcher.
ENSV. Kern. UBX. Lace. PRCH. UBX. YVR. UBX.
Yeah, I hope this month is the best month of the entire year. It has the potential to be. It's usually good to begin with, but now we've got, you know, the market's starting to curl up a little bit. You like the robot music?
New.
Yeah, I started to heat up the last 2 weeks October. Beginning October was trash.
Drib. Sophie.
And that's really nothing this morning. You know it's bad when the top gainer is a $383 stock with 188K volume.
YMAS. RGS. HMY. Tour. SOXL. GDS. LAZR. STSTSS.
LAZR keeps tapping the scanner. It's like slowly walking up. No volume though. It's just like a bid's walking up.
BNET, MVST, AREB.
Nice chart with range, but I don't think it has a reason to be up.
CD.
No.
LUMN. Face. Kern.
LUMN wins 1.5 billion Defense Information Systems Network contract. Not really reacting like I thought it would react. $1.5 billion contract. LUMN. Interesting. I thought it would freaking explode on that.
SWN.
Didn't do anything. It popped one initial pop and then has been faded ever since. Wow. $1.5 billion contract.
Doug.
All right. I took a loss. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Way to start the morning, baby. I don't know if I've ever seen a $1.5 billion contract come across the newsfeed. That's crazy. Yeah, that should have went 1,000 times out of 1,000 without question, without even second guessing, slapping whatever amount you just slapped. That is a always, always, always go news. How about that?
TMF.
$7.2. Yeah, I guess. Yep, welcome to November. Welcome to November, baby.
YMM.
Absolute insanity. That is true. Yeah, Alf went to hell really fast. It's gone already. I feel like that just IPO within the last year. $1 billion contract. Wow, wow, wow. I'm still kind of in shock.
KAL.
Is it a billion float too? It looks super thin. Yeah, it is a billion float. What the hell? How does it even have a spread with a billion float? That is wild. Whatever, I guess.
SOXL. BNET. HMY. CHPT. CIDM.
Yeah, what? I don't know what's going on. That seemed like the easiest slap ever, man. Crazy.
Kern. MVST. Res.
Okay. Well, we've got nothing.
CHPT. RGS.
Market's
PHG.
pushing over 390, 390.40 here. 8:30 news may save us. I don't know. 1.5 billion.
QLGN. UBX.
Yeah, hopefully we get something fresh at 8:30. If not, it's going to be another day.
TMF. ARAB. Sophie. MGAM.
GameStop falling off with SPY going up.
YMM. FTCH. Billy. RGS. Kava.
All right, we got about 20 seconds. What's up, Justin? Good morning. Got about 20 seconds till the 8:30 news. Hopefully something comes out because we are dead right now. Dead.
VNET. GWH SPRC. SOXL.
I don't see anything.
KAL.
Well, how about that? Nothing.
TUYA.
Market high day.
PLBY. Momo. ABGR. ENSC. HMY.
All right. What is going to move right now?
OILD. PTON.
PMI 845 Central. Okay. So 945
Tom.
market.
UBX. Tour.
UBX getting some volume. Up to 340 now. It's the only thing with volume, so I guess it's going to get some volume. Kind of a weird statement, but... Only thing with potential is what I should have said. So this is looking like a 2022 looking chart right here. If you guys love the trading year of 2022, this is your chart. This is your chart right here. You walk up, you get some wickety-wicketies, you get a big old smash candle, and then you get a swoop-de-loop into a boner. Should have held that a little longer. I saw the volume coming in. I had 337. But it got me green. It made up for the... had an initial loss on that. I was trying to trade it in this BS zone. And then I lost on that LUMN, that stupid PR. And JD, to answer your question, no. This is the first move of the whole day, and it went from 337 to 357, 358. So that's, I mean, 20-cent move, sure. Yes, I had the bottom, sure. But once I saw green, I got out. Green on the day. Erase some silly mistakes I've already made this morning. And I wouldn't even say they're silly mistakes. I would say I'm taking trades that I would always take. They're just shit in the bed today. All right. I'm feeling some Wordle already, and we're going to get this within 3. 100%. No doubt about it. And to start us out, we're going to get some vowels. Okay. Only one vowel out of that.
UBX. Didmer.
Okay. Somehow I've got to put this together.
UBX.
Oh my god. UBX is trying to go now. Guess it's process of elimination.
BNET. DNMR.
That's a potential one, but I really don't think that's it. Could be liner, could be finer, could be a lot of things. No way I'm getting it in 2. Or in 3, I mean. Hey, good morning. Good morning. Welcome in. Tech Trader. Take your trader. Sorry. Take your trader. I see you on my Twitter a lot. If you're the same guy, you should be. Looks like the same name. Now what do we got?
Veil.
INEY. INE. Nice. Okay. Welcome in. I don't know if I ever saw you in chat in here before. Good to see you. It's a little slow right now. We only got one mover, UBX, so we're just playing some Wordle.
RGS.
I'd really like to get this in the next guess. I need to figure out what this last letter is.
GORO.
Not that, not that. Guess it could be double E. Probably not. More than likely it's Y. INEP. No. No. Guess it could be INEC, right?
Billing.
Let's go with Piney.
RGS.
Well, there it is. Simple as that. Didn't even have to try. Once we got those letters. I can't believe I ever got this on the second guess.
DMP.
But I think I'm at... Yeah, I got 3 different ones on the second guess somehow. Just get a lucky first word, I guess. Alright, so this looking still very 2022-ish. Little wiki nonsense, little ugly, little chop. And then we got a little flag here now. So a little flag under 360.
OCX.
Appreciate the likes, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Glad to see all y'all. Not a whole lot of action this morning so far. SPY's up.
TRA.
Oil's up.
UBX.
Bitcoin's up. Russell 2000 is up. But we really don't have much of a runner at this moment besides UBX is trying to go. UBX had good news. Nothing like phenomenal, but I mean, positive 24-week data in diabetic.
CBAC.
I really don't want to chase this now, man. I was
HMY.
buying it as it got this volume stick right here, 337. And I sold into this candle like 348 or 346. It's looking decent now, though. It was horrible action down here. I was watching the level 2. Like, I had it as low earlier today at 3. I think I had like 332. I ended up selling for even because it was just screwing around. So yeah, economic calendar for today.
YNM.
PMI 945. That's the big one. And then tomorrow, the FOMC. I will probably, not going to lock it in, but I will probably do a double stream again tomorrow. Come back on about maybe 1:45, and we'll look at the FOMC numbers. We'll see how the market reacts, see if we're getting anything crazy. So no 1 minute has closed over 360 since we've broken out here, and it even struggled here and here. So 360 is your clear top resistance wise. So if you throw that, and it's a little bit of a discrepancy, and then maybe right here, low ascending. Yeah, I didn't want to look at the 5 minute. Looks ugly. Looks ugly all around with all these wicks, but it's in play.
Hollow.
Is this thing just going to have great action now after being a turd all morning? The first thing when I got on this morning, Scott B was like, UBX 2022 breakout. And I was like, yep, it looks like trash. But look at this. Nice flag here, broke higher. Right to resistance, flagged underneath, and broke. It is getting a little volatile as you see the level 2 kind of waving up, waving down. But that's 2 solid breakouts here. Broke back above VWAP, flag, broke out here. Actually, 3 solid breakouts. And then flag for 3 minutes right underneath resistance and pop through. So now that we're above everything, we go to the daily. Look for some resistance levels. A little bit. See the bottoms here around 390s. So around 390. 375 is usually always the psychological resistance. It's like, that's people call it the 375 rule, and it's 375 to 4, potentially to 5, depending on the momentum. But really, you're going to see resistance 390 to around 420 if it decides to go that high, with 420 being the 50 SMA. It is only up 27% on the day. You feel like these things are making a much bigger move when you don't have the initial monster candle on the first candle. Because when that puts it up 50-60% here, and then you trade just within this 10-cent range, yes, it's up 50-60%, but you would have had to have been swinging it to catch this first algo candle. And then you're trading within a 5-cent range. I'd rather honestly do this. This is an ugly pattern, but you know, go from 318 to 360 and only be up 26%. Much better, much better. So we are wicking. Let's see if this 5 minute gets shoved back down under 360. There's about 40 seconds left.
QFIN.
So What ran Friday?
GT.
I don't think anything ran Friday. Actually, yeah, something ran Friday. Pretty sure. Because today's the T2 for Friday. Be the 28th.
CLF.
What was it? I feel like there was something that ran Friday.
HLVZ. CLNE. MMAT.
I am awful at remembering runners, though, unless I write it down or put it on a watch list or something. What would that have been on Friday? Just go look here then.
KC.
How's this loading so slow? What the heck? QNGY. Okay. Yeah, QNGY. I was going back and looking at the bod from Friday.
XELA. DNA. Grab.
NUVL. Yeah, it's mostly QNGY though. But, I mean, look at that thing. Kind of got murdered. Oil Hive Day.
Driv.
BTNR is almost back up to where it was when we were looking at like a couple months ago, broda. Yeah, but QNGY got smacked on an offering. So the T2 on that potential is gone.
GEVO.
Unfortunately.
Billy.
Billy. Yeah. Yeah, they got smacked, unfortunately.
LCID.
So Billy is another Chinese one of the bigger ones. They were cheap. Like this was almost at 52-week lows yesterday.
HYLN.
KC. Up 10% almost. XELA had a PR. Expands contract with major consulting firm. I didn't really think that was worth anything. It is getting hit on the scanner just a little bit. But it's 25 cents. So it's not going to take much to get it to hit the scanner. Gevo. Oh. Oh, never mind. Gevo's cheap. Gevo's cheap. A lot of stuff's cheap, but Jivo's got a massive falling wedge on the daily. Like massive, massive. Let's see if we can start it from right here. Jivo. And this is the one that makes the renewable like aviation fluid and all this other stuff. But
BBD.
go to there. And this is the daily. And all the way like right here. Or let's just go with a more shorter term one. Right here. It's a big, big falling wedge on Jivo. I think the float's a lot higher than it used to be on this thing. 200 million, yeah. So it's gonna be one that's just gonna be, you know, slow and steady, I guess, if it moves. But above, say 250, it starts to break the falling wedge it's been in pretty much all year. Yeah, this is November of last year. But it's a heavy float, so I don't know how hard it's really gonna move now. UBX.
UBX.
What an ugly chart, man. Head and shoulder, immediately see it on the one. Doesn't mean it's gonna fulfill, but shoulder, head, shoulder. It is on the one, so a 1 minute is less, you know, effective than a 5 minute, which is less effective than a 15 minute, which is less effective than a 30 minute. And I mean chart wise. So if you got like 1 minute ascending triangle, it's less, you know, important to the overall stock than if you have like a 30-minute ascending triangle. If that makes sense. The longer the time frame, the bigger impact that it has on the stock. Oil still looks decent today. A lot of strength, 2.78%. It's really nothing, man. Kind of sucks. I don't want to play this. It's acting very weird. I don't see the market following through very hard today. I think it's going to still be choppy. Because we got FOMC tomorrow. And if it does run hard, then FOMC is going to sell off insane tomorrow. So let's just stay right here. You know, it's going to be 75. I'm almost positive. If it's 50, we're going to go crazy. But it's not going to be anything over 75. Everybody knows it's going to be 75. So we should stay in this range and maybe continue higher throughout the rest of the week. But Thursday, Friday has been like red over the past forever, it feels like. Like this is Thursday, this is Friday, and then this is Monday. I wish there was something to trade.
APRN.
Blue Apron. High of day. GameStop not doing anything. Hey, bro, did futures just go up because of the Chinese companies going up? Like, is global markets up? Is that the reason?
GT.
It's looks like a head and shoulder breakout coming.
CDIO. TME. CLF. THMO. KC.
I mean, it's hanging around, this one. If I could erase, so let's say I could erase this and just view the chart like this, knowing 360 is resistance trying to become support, it looks much better. But if you take all of this nonsense into factor, it really turns me off. So if I could just look at it like this, okay, good volume came in, we tried to break out, but we went back below. We traded below for a little bit and then got back above. So 360 now trying to become support. If it becomes support again, should make next leg higher. Yeah, 370 to 375 and then 390 to 420 is what I saw on the daily a few minutes ago. So if you can, switch off the rest of that chart and just look at these candles, it looks much better. Does it really make me want to slap back in? No. Yeah, so just look at this. It looks much, much better. 360 resistance, got above, went back below, reclaim, flagging around, holding the 20 on the 1. Looks better. 20K bidder here. This is the guy that the shorts are going to want to smash, though. Just like bulls, if we, we're going up to 370, bulls are going to want to smash 20K ask. You want to hit it. Let's slap it, break it down, and we'll break out after that. Shorts are thinking the same thing, but to the downside. Let's smash this 360 bid so we can get the breakdown of the stock. So you got to look at it from both perspectives, really. Like, I used to just look at a big bidder here and say, okay, that's my support, and risk off of that and just buy in every time. But that is kind of the breakdown target of the shorts, is 360 being a big bid. So you want to see an ask to buy through, and you really don't want to see a huge bid unless you're on the way up and you're just seeing, some bid support coming below you. This is just trading sideways. So a big bid on a trading sideways stock is not usually the best. It is holding for now, though. We may make the next leg right here. No 1 minute has closed over 367 so far. Oops.
ARAB.
It looks okay. It really does look okay. If I just take into factor this. My nose keeps itching. It can close a candle over 367 and then continue to try to push higher right here. Should be good. If it breaks below this uptrend, below maybe 358, 357, it's looking a little worse, especially below like 350. So it can't seem to make that next leg yet. They're going to come after this guy, though. And just like when bulls are slapping an ask and you see it getting chipped, it'll be the same way with this. As soon as it starts getting chipped, it'll probably completely die.
VIPs.
Because people also have mental stops there.
EFSH.
They don't want to get washed in at 355 and when they can sell at 360 before it crashes. What's up, AC? Good morning, buddy.
GRP.
All right, so about 15 seconds till 9 a.m. news. Maybe something fresh. We're lucky.
OEPW.
Not much. Wish got a partnership. New egg.
9.
Partner using a firm.
Cap. KNDI.
SIDU did something. Really nothing.
SWBL. BNR. UBX.
ARAV breaking out. That was one that was moving yesterday. Getting some volume here. No idea why. Couldn't tell you.
Path. UBX. Drib. PHAS. Tark.
Little wiki nonsense here on UBX. Very, very lame day so far.
Doug.
Oil 74 or USO 74. DL is almost at 90, 89.30. None of the oiler, well, the small oilers are moving. Oxy Hive day. BTNR. Oh my God, if I could type BTNR. Sitting there, not really moving yet.
MLCO.
THCH.
THCH.
Endo Husa aren't moving.
L.
IMPP not moving. UBX fading.
PLG. OILD.
Meme stock hammers today, maybe. And then oil. That's all I see so far.
SUNW. ABYA.
Not much going on at all today.
UBX. TIGR. PR. DM, HNST.
You guys see anything set up or moving that I'm missing? Because I don't see anything.
Momo.
I'd like to see oil continue just for us to get something. Maybe a sector to move today. I like ENSB's daily. Breaking out on the daily. If oil continues. Had a strong day yesterday. GameStop still trading around 29.30. It's over 29. Market's pulled back to 390.
CHPT.
They're just walking this thing down. UBX. Big smashes on the bid. Oil about to test high day again.
ITUB. Hitmer. THCH. GGB. Poly. UVX.
UVX still very wicky.
AUY. UVX.
CL going for highs right here.
SOXL. FSM.
Market's having a nice hammer too off 390.
EFSH.
After yesterday's action, I'm surprised it's so slow this morning. Really am.
COM. At. ARAB. HITI. PHAS. Rum.
Well, this thing's trying to bounce. Push through 360 again. Yeah, it's trying to right now.
Sophie. Veil. QD. VIP.
Oh. Everything moving in slow motion right now.
Cab. Have.
So if oil continues today, Oxy, BTNR, for the bigger ones, bigger float ones, algo-y ones. And I like ENSV, honestly, the daily, the way it's been moving lately over Indo and Husa, because they haven't been really moving. But ENSV's been kind of on a nice track. So that'll be one if oil really starts to break out to watch, along with Oxy and BTNR.
PHG. LPL. ATOS.
Why didn't use it? 9:15 for some reason.
PRE, UBX. SSSS.
It's been a little bit since we've had a pre-market where nothing's moved. It's either been, you know, good, smooth action, or it's been, you know, choppy action, but then box it up and move higher.
BTCM.
Yeah, today, worst looking open setup for the past couple weeks. So I'm going to be very cautious at the beginning. Be watching meme bounces, meme hammers, I guess you could say, and oil. Because USO is up 3.4%, testing 74. CL at 89.25, getting ready to break high day, it looks like, very soon.
Mugs. COM. BCS. Doug. CNSP. UCL.
Yeah, it is.
ENSG.
SoFi's been trash for a very long time.
UBX. AUY. Face. Ping. ARDX.
There's oil high of day.
LPL.
CL may hit 90 today. The way it's looking. Very well may hit 90. Alright, I'm gonna go feed the dogs and all that. Yada yada.
Drip.
Be right back.
FSR. UPWK. QS. SSSS. PHG. UBX. GT. Snap. DDL. OILD. AAU. CD. Cab. Path. RKLB, MLCO. ZOM. GEVO. QLGN. DRD, LAZR. CID. MVST. BTBT.
All right. Market pulling back, oil pulling back. Spy hammer. I really can't get a read on what we're going to get today, guys. To be honest with you. Got about 2.5 minutes till open, though. UBX trying to break out right now. Got about 1 minute left. I like to say GameStop dropped to about 28.5. Oil pushing back up again before it's open here. I think I really like oil the best for today. Oil's up a lot unless the market just dies off hard. Good luck today, everybody. If you're green, hold it, please. If you are red, don't snowball. No reason to force anything. Wait for some good setups after open, and we'll see what we got. Here we go.
ZOM, TPOR, JJTO, JSTXS, VSM, VMEA,
Market up. Bitcoin going up a little.
DCFC, KSCP, SFBT,
Oil hammer.
VRM, QFIN, OBSILJ, CWGHY, KWEVML, ZLAB.
Market kind of a fake out so far. Yeah, let's give it a second. Nothing looks good right now. Not a thing looks good. ARAV I'm watching here. See if we can get over 155.
BNG HUDI AG LU IoT
HTCRPR licenses Apramore, the advanced process mining tool from Japanese tech company.
Valve Plus
I missed a good entry on it.
WHLRP
That was the runner from the other day.
FSTX VCAN GEVO
There goes the ENSV. What I was talking about. That's the best looking setup penny oiler right now. ENSV. Meerkat Death so far. Oil's not really going up. Oil's actually falling right now with the market waterfall. As I mentioned earlier, I don't think the market's just going to push straight up. It's probably going to come back down to 388.5. Screw around. EBX Scout. Okay. It's coming up to that 375 test.
SILV IAF LYFT RCKT AG L HUDI
I hit 370. Let's see if we can get through 375. Come on. Come on.
JC DEHP STSS IDYA
I scaled before it got there. Got 373 out. Didn't like how it was acting. It could still go though. 375, like I said earlier. 390 to 420.
HUYA ISUN
It's one that looks. Let me look at the float on this thing. It looks like it's heavier. Looks like it's turning a lot of volume to not really move that much. 13 million float. Just a weird one. HTCR, I sold for 1 cent. Now it's trying to pop a little bit more. Market Hammer, watch GameStop maybe. See if it can go down to like 28.5, like I said. Okay, UBX rejected pretty hard. I sold 373. It went to 374. I felt like it was just acting funny. Oh, AGLE, that one that I mentioned yesterday morning that I said should be on watch back through 1. I completely forgot about it all day yesterday. Now it's up through 1 to 1, almost 115 here. But I did see that it did this and kind of faded back down, so I thought maybe that was the push, but it did grind back up. Okay, GameStop 28.70. Don't try to catch the knife though, quite yet. But it is getting down to the buy zone. 28.70 might be the buy zone. If GameStop's gonna follow any type of chart, logic. I'll show you exactly what I'm looking at here, guys. So you see this top here, 28.70. This top, 28.70. This top, 28.70. So don't try to, like I said, don't try to catch the knife here. But this could potentially be the bounce zone. Market's trying to hammer. Okay, it pushed a little bit down. Maybe it does go to 28.5 here. Okay, I hit 28.56. I'm going to risk 28.50 here. Looking like a good entry so far. Market back above 390. They had them for a second. They're going to give it up now, aren't they?
AMPX plus CSWC.
Yeah, market fading too. Dang it, man. They had them there on the bounce. They may still have it. It's making me want to scale some, though, looking at the market. Because GameStop has been following SPY for a long time now. Alright, give me a little pop here, and I'm going to scale half at least. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Maybe I have the spot. I said 28.5 all morning. Do I hold this and be greedy? I think I scale half. I scale half. Okay, I scale half. I'm gonna ride the other half. Maybe with a 65 stop, just so I get a little bit of profit locked in. But I'm still riding, you know? Giving it way, like a huge leash here. 30-cent leash from where it's currently trading. I feel like I snagged that bottom perfect almost. But when you have a plan, it makes it a lot easier. I said 28.5 all morning. I like to see it push down to 28.5. I like to see it push down to 28.5. It went down to 28.53. And now we're back above 29. So, follow your plans. And your risk reward is optimal. Yes, it could have went down to 28.40s after I bought. But I was risking 6 cents on, you know, support. So, is what it is. Okay, I took 150 more off, so I got 100 shares left. I only had 500. I didn't go heavy, but I took a stab at it. Follow through wasn't the best today. So now I'm going to risk off this low of candle from the last candle, 28.88. We are up, you know, what is this, 50 cents now? No, 75 cents. 75 cents a share. Or we were for a second. So I'm going to risk, I think, 84. Still giving it a 20+ cent leash, but moving my stop up logically. And it might come get it right here, and that's fine. Market's dying. I'm trying to maximize my profits. And once the market heats up and I get some more confidence, I'm going to do this with a much bigger, you know, size and much bigger scale. But this is like a macro version of the way that I trade. Or a micro version, I guess you could say, micro. Yeah, it's going to get me right here, I think. Yeah, it's at me. Oh well. Oh well. I don't like these candles anyways. The candle that ends at low and then opens lower. Like, just on to the next one. Decent day so far, even on this, you know, shitty action day. Now that I got my GameStop move, maybe, see, now we're pushing lower. Watch for a higher low, maybe, if you want to take an entry and you missed this entry. Watch for a higher low to set up. And higher low could be freaking 1 cent higher, but just watch for that higher low to set up. What else? SFET up 87%? What the hell? SFET literally rocketed out the gate this morning. 30 cents to 60. In 2 candles. KSCP, 5 new contracts. I don't like it. It's getting volume, but it's kind of already at the top, it feels like. I forgot to turn the music down. It's freaking loud as hell. There, I can stop yelling now. KSCP high of day. Ooh, ARAV broke through. No, I missed it. That wick break, or 160 break, was the play, the ad on ARAV.
ADN, Manu, NRT, Billy.
This daily's breaking out. 183 to 2 next stop. And it's already almost at 183.
MKTW, APCX.
We'll see how this sets up here. See if it follows through. Spy's doing a lot of wiki nonsense here.
NMCO News. LITV Fro.
That was an interesting first 10 minutes.
HPCO.
Considering pre-market was garbage.
MNSO. GP. DMB. HPCO. Find. ARAB.
Man. 25K short popped in, so they're trying to hold it down here. See if that's going to kill it. Okay, they killed 170 bid. He refreshed. Okay, he's dead now. And he's they bought it back up. So they're trying to protect 168 here. 50K short. 50K short here. Let's see what happens with him.
NETI.
I think this is the high short interest one. So they're trying to protect their position. Okay, he pulled.
GP. MFAB.
Walking it down, walking it down, walking it down. This is the entry. I think that's the entry right there, 166.
PYN.
Maybe not. Walking it down still, 14K ask, 19K ask. This is on ARAV if you guys are wondering. Below 160, I'm not interested anymore. Oh, my order froze. What the heck? Okay, I got 2,500 shares, 163 filled. Another short. Oh my god, they're protecting this big time. So I'm risking underneath 160. It's probably going to come really fast if the shorts keep attacking like this. Okay, somebody swiped out 15K while all in one trade. So that's good. So if you get about 165 again, this could start pushing back up. I'm not adding any more considering how crazy this thing's acting. It's going to have to go. Like, they're going to have to bring volume back in right now for it to go. So, through 165. Nope. That filled me out weird. Okay, whatever. Took a... Did I take a $165 loss on that?
Ego.
25.50. No, I had already traded it before. Okay. Only lost $50 on it. Yeah, I think I tried this in pre-market too.
ADPT, Mass, GHL. HYB. CLRMW. Kern. PHAS.
What now?
OMIC. OPRA.
You guys having a good morning or not? It's kind of a strange morning. The only reason I'm decently green is because GameStop.
Kern. Eno. AKAN. Eagle. Mag. SISI. NETI.
Yeah, today's very hard. This is very, very hard. Market bleeding off now. So more than likely we're going to come down to Let's see. Maybe this level right here, 388.
FSTX.
Unless something just came out. Oh, the PMI is out. PMI is out. Actual 50.4. Forecast 49.9.
UBX. PIRS. RIGL. IFS. TK. DRTT. CVNA. SFET. SFET. GO. EPOL. STXS. STXS. CODIB.
AGLE was a good move. I think Callum was in that. If you're in here, Callum. Good job. It could be an all. You could be waiting till tomorrow. Nothing's obvious right now, that's for sure.
STRT, SFET, AMRN, STIR, MMLP, Brasmer, STXS, NMAI, CDAK.
Probably. I mean, it broke the downtrend line, but you know 2022. It'll freaking box it back up. But I'd say under 340. Definitely. It's a short.
CGEN. Tour. VGFC.
Yeah, I don't short either. Kind of hardly get approved for anything I watched short.
Grow. VGFC. SABS. MSC. VGFC. UBFO. VGFC.
Good lord. Son getting a push. It was in Death Valley when I looked at it this morning. Looks like algos.
NXL. HUIZ. GTH. FCA. SFB.
Yeah, UBX should be in short territory now if you're trying to short it.
EFAs.
Well, today's very boring. Very boring start to November.
SFET. ARAB. Grow. CDI. ASHS. GTBP. GTEC. IMTX. DRTT. CDIO.
Someone's trying to do it. 225, 226, 227. Process of elimination, I guess. Elimination. Wow. Mushmouth there. It's at some resistance, 230.
NETI. EZKBK. Eagle. TUEM. Snacks.
AGLE still pushing.
Eagle. FRCACIU. Son, HPCO. HUIZ. BCRX.
Can't believe Son is as strong as it is right now.
Deo. OCCRX. CTIB. MRKR. EXFY. ZLABW. CS. PTPI. RHE. BCRX. NBY. SPC. ENO. SOND. WEJO. TK. ACHRHUN. AMTI. SONX. HTZWW. ACHR. OCGN. IMTX. HGEN. MRKR. NAUT. XWE. DSWL.
AGLE is up near 130. It's trying to test it, but slowed down a little bit now. You want to see another volume spike to push it up through 130. You're still in AGLE. Looks decent through 130. If we can get through it.
SFBT. CYBN. TNXP. ATHCYBN. DOYU. JUPW.
128. 129 is getting hit. So there's a 25 KS, 129, 25 KS, 130.
NOVN. Vets.
Okay, 129's gone.
Increased.
See if they break 130 here. It should pop pretty good if it breaks 130. AGLE.
Born. PTPI.
14K, 10K, 7K. There's 132.
UBFO. ELYM. DSWL. Son. HEXO.
Nice bidders on AGLE. 50K bidder. Son still straight up. So this is excellent. It's exactly what we want to see as small caps traders for continuation for good price action. SPY shitting the bed. But you got SONN and AGLE going straight up.
MFAB. ARAV. ZYNE.
There should be no correlation in SPY and something that's running with momentum. Zero. Small cap wise, at least. Zero correlation at all.
PSIL.
Son, 240, 241. It's got squeeze volume right here. It might skip. I ain't chasing it up here. But Son is rolled.
Son, Grill, NGS, Acor, LSF, RCRTSF, ICVX,
Son 250. AGLE 135. So two good runners. Trading which ones? Oh, I just fixed the matrix down to 1 cent. If you're talking about the ones that, like Son did show up multiple cents for me, but I just changed it down to 1 cent. Yeah, I had ARAV up earlier. It tried to go and then it rejected really hard, so I took my eyes off of it. But 165, 170 maybe. Son 238 now, so pulling back just a little bit. Bids are still really good on AGLE. Like, really good. Took a little position through that 130. Made a little bit. Let's see, 20, 13, 25, 17, 15.
NXL.
Oh, you still get errors. That's weird. Huh. Yeah, maybe just mark it if just in case. Just in case you can't get that limit to work. There's Eagle. Man. Hell of a run today. I thought it had honestly topped when it did this, but it faded back down. Had a really bad open, but grinded all day yesterday. And now it's that liquidity trap type blow off move. It's at the 200 SMA, so we're coming up on resistance right now. 200 SMA and gap fill. So I don't see it going much above 150. 150 is probably ultimate, but it probably is a magnet to that zone, which we're coming up on right now. May go as high as 160, but I don't see it going much further than that. ARAV, where's that at? Still 160. There's still a chance. I saw that going around Twitter a little bit, though, so just be careful. They know about the bug. Yeah, of course. They know about all the bugs. I just don't want to fix them.
Lucy. AFCG. Onic. SFBT. Son. TNYA. NCPLW.
On still pushing.
KF. East. PTPI.
Today's an okay day so far. Good price action. Intraday so far. No crazy runners, but you don't need crazy runners. I say this all the freaking time. I'm like a broken record. You don't need crazy runners. You don't need parabolic sectors. You don't need memes. You don't need yada yada. Just something moving with good price action. I don't care if it's up 20%.
Son.
Market may have found a bottom here. 38, 37, actually 37.5. 200 SMA on the 5. Coming down to this zone that it was in before.
HYFM.
New hourly candle starting right here. New 5 minute.
Link.
AGLE.
PRTH, ACP, DLC, DFP, MTR, OXSQ, Eagle.
The hell's that? HYFM. Okay, market actually lagged lower here. Job openings, actual 10.7 forecast. Okay, so that's what they want to see. This is going to be a fake breakdown here. I would imagine. Hold on. Manufacturing prices paid actual 46.6. Forecast 43. Maybe the PMI is going to cause it to go lower. But the job openings, they want to see job openings. They want to see people living on the street for the Fed's policies to actually be working. It's pretty annoying, and it's upside down as hell, but Fed wants to see job openings. They want to see unemployment higher. They want to see retail spending lower.
PMF, PRTG, OESX, SFBT, SFBGSX, OESX, OESX.
They're protecting 245 right here on SONM.
SLNHP, LYLT, SFBT, ESCA,
247.
Eagle, SFBT,
SON looks like it's going to go higher here. I still don't quite trust it, but 250 test. 250 gone, 251. There it is, 255 test. 40K ask on 255. Rejected that pretty hard. Yeah. Okay. Whatever. That was it, I guess. Should have just sold my whole position.
HYFM. Chris. PHAS. LHDX. HYFM. ZOM. CTIB. Eagle. NYMX. BRA.
Okay.
CNXT. INLX.
I may not take another trade. I think I'm good for the day, to be honest with you.
SFBT. FLYD.
I went from down pretty ugly in pre-market to up $700, so I'll take it.
UFI. SFBT. ADXN.
Okay, market continuing lower for now. Either they will chop it here or we'll start selling off big throughout the day, and that will create a bounce for tomorrow's FOMC. The big thing's going to be, you know, are we going to stay over 385? I really don't care about 386 or whatever. Are we going to hold 385?
OXSQ. OESX. FLYD. NCV. ICLK. FAR. Veru. Didmer. UBX. Self.
Yeah, it's looking like a nasty day, guys. Don't force anything.
Ode. True. FHLTWD. FHLTW. KNSA.
Okay. I think I'm going to call it here. Market's dying. Things are slowing down. Nothing's breaking up. Yada, yada. Appreciate you guys once again for showing up, being here, all stream. Thanks for the likes and comments as always. Thanks to my members supporting me, supporting the channel, helping me do this every single day. We'll be back tomorrow. Tomorrow, FOMC. I'm probably going to do a double stream tomorrow. So going to do, the regular 8 a.m. to 10, and then I may pop back up tomorrow around maybe 1:45 and do like an FOMC reaction type stream. But appreciate you guys once again. See you AC, see you Chloe and John, see you Scott B. Have a good one. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you back here tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. See you, Mike.